How to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and open up our Roblox application. Get logged into your Roblox account and you will see a page like this. Now, in order to chat with your friends, you will see a party icon at the below page. Tap it. In my case, I don't have any friends, but if you have a lot of friends, you will be able to see all of them here. If you tap on to add friends and search for their name, you will see all the people, and you can also type in the name of your friends and friend them on Roblox. Now once you do so, you will see this plus icon here. You can also create a group and chat with them. So bottom line is, in order to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile, you need to have friends. If you have friends, you will be able to see their name at this page. Tap onto it and tap a chat. Just like so, this is how it can be done. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.